In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage of subtotal in Salesforce reports. We'll build a simple report and add a summary formula that shows each value as a percentage of its subtotal, so you can quickly see contribution and distribution without exporting to a spreadsheet. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. From the home page, open the app launcher and search for Reports. Click Reports to go to the Reports workspace. Next, click New Report. For this walkthrough, choose the account's report type as our example, then click Start Report to open the report builder. Let's add a couple of numeric fields we can summarize. Add the amount column. This is often used to represent opportunities or pipeline tied to the account. Bringing it into the report gives us a value we can total and compare. Then add annual revenue. This gives a second numeric point of reference in case you want to analyze different metrics side by side. As you add columns, remember that anything you want to include in a formula must be present in the report. Open column options to adjust how your data behaves in the report. Now choose Add Summary Formula. A summary formula lets you calculate new metrics at the report or group level, things like ratios, averages across groups, and in our case, the percentage of a subtotal. It evaluates after your data is summarized, so it's perfect for percent of total style insights. Give your new formula column a clear name, like percent of subtotal, so teammates understand what they're seeing. Set the formula output type to percent. This tells Salesforce to display the result with a percent sign and appropriate formatting, and it helps with consistent sorting and charting later. Type your formula. Conceptually, you're dividing the summarized value by its parent subtotal. For example, take the sum of amount and divide it by the subtotal at the grouping level you care about. If you've grouped your report, use the parent group reference so each row or subgroup shows its share of that subtotal. Many users rely on functions like parent group val to target the correct level. If your preview shows zeros or errors, double-check that the field you reference is summarized and that you're pointing to the right group level. Click Apply to preview the results in the builder. When it looks right, click Save. Enter a descriptive report name so it's easy to find later. The unique name will fill in automatically. Click Save again to finish. That's it. Build the report, add your numeric columns, create a summary formula, set it to percent, enter the percent of subtotal logic, and save. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.